15 all blues, I spent that on my coat. Finna grab a chunky ass cube and I don't fuck with ropes. I ain't stingy with my bitches, I put them on the floor. The windows don't roll down on this whip.
YouTube, we back, man. Y'all see that thumbnail, man. I don't even know what the title gonna be, so I ain't gonna say that. But yeah, that's all. You get it, guy. Let me show y'all. All right, man. Got the new hood, cut, brand new ski. Vinny hood. Woo. I'm proud of myself. Man, this car coming together, boy. It's coming together. It was a car meet that too. We're probably not gonna make that. Definitely not. Okay. But y'all, look, I did. Like I told y'all, since the front end done, we about to start on the rear end. Not too worried. I'll probably try to, not too worried about the play. I don't give a fuck. I don't know where I live at. But yeah. Tail lights about to go. We about to put the 2015 tail lights, 2015 rear bumper. You feel me? You already know. I'm gonna tell y'all, yeah. But tool, man, we back. As y'all can see, it is another day. Cause I don't know, my camera died or something. No, I couldn't get the footage of me changing the hood because we was going through a lot. Bro, my hood had 2 different size screws, 2 different bolts. So whoever cut this was before I start building and all that, I need y'all butt beat, bruh. For real. Yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you do know that I wrapped the bumper. It ain't the best job, you feel me? It's not the best job, no cap. But I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. All right, y'all, here we back. This is what it look like. Let me try to go over here with there now, cause that's the ugly side. But yeah, so I can see. Wrap the bumper, got the hood. Oh yeah, and I did add the front sticker. I can't wait to take this tape off, bro. This throwing me off so bad. I gotta take that off. But I'm gonna give it like 2 more days. But I did add my brother's name and stuff on the front window, you feel me? Cause I did build this car for him in tribute to him, you feel me? But at the Instagram, I don't know if I'm gonna get the YouTube logo yet, cause I wanna see, I don't know. So I might put some sponsors on here, something like that. But I'm not sure. But yeah, we're supposed to be getting the tail lights today. Hopefully I get them today. I'm gonna get them today. So yeah, I'm gonna get them today. There's gonna be another video short because I gotta show y'all how to do the wire and stuff like that. And I'm gonna do something different. I'm not gonna change my rear bumper yet because I don't feel like spending that money yet, bro. When I just seen somebody do something sweet, they did like, because if you know the newer tail lights, they kind of bigger like right here, and you gotta cut it down right here. And this part is just plastic right here, so I don't have no problem with shaving that down. So I did. Let me show you what I bought. I'm on my trunk, but I bought this kit to shave it down, like the edge part when I get the tail lights to shave it down. We gonna talk another video. So yeah, but yeah, like I was saying, it came out hard, bro. This hood is that for sure. Him. I was gonna wrap it black too, but it looked good like matte black, so I'm gonna keep it matte black for now. I am changing the color of my calipers, but I gotta change the calipers too. You feel me? Only nigga y'all know running a swap with no motherfucking calipers, you feel me? This the fastest. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is. Y'all might see engine pictures and all that, but y'all don't know what this is, I ain't gonna lie. Sleeper minds. But anyway, yeah, this hood came out hard to me, you feel me? I didn't get to put the things in because if you got an aftermarket hood, you know you gotta shade this down a little bit open, like make it the hole a little bit bigger. Wish I had the thing to show y'all. But I don't like how this junk catch on handprints so good, like the matte. Like, you don't see that? Like the greasy handprints and stuff like that, it catch it real good. Yeah, it looks so crazy with these headlights, bro. And we do gotta wire the tail, not the tail lights, the fog lights up. I'm gonna wire them up for sure. But yeah, this wrap is just on there for right now. See, I messed up down here, right down there. But it's cool. This just for now learning experience too. And shit, I like working on my own car. I don't be caring. If you know me, you know I touch my own car before I let anybody touch it, even if I fuck up, just because it's a learning experience, you feel me? So yeah, I don't be caring. But anyways, man, it's the hood, how it came out. Another thing, bro, I don't know how, like, comment down below how y'all, do y'all do this? Like, you got this hood, like, it's like, if I stick it in too much back here, it's gonna come up down here. If I close it down here and put it in the right way, I'm gonna leave it for that bitch to fall out. But anyway, yeah, this how it came out. Hopefully a little hard, man. Inspire y'all to get y'all own. But yeah. No, your shit too fucking loud. That bitch barking. That bitch crazy. That's wild. Shit. He just made my video. Oh my God. No, that bitch a dog. This bitch a dog. No, that bitch crazy. Don't give me no cat. Let's hear that. Let's hear that idol now that she got cut. And he did get that pipe fixed. Woo! Oh my God. That bitch sound good now. That's different. Okay. Damn. No cap, I need that bitch. No cap, I gotta get that bitch. No cap, for sure. Put that bitch in a group chat. Little motherfucking bird. Okay. Let me secure. Get low, all black too right now. Or black it out. Fuck it. D badge. No fake. Shit. What if everybody said it was black? That'd be crazy. Off the white stock boys thing. Oh shit! Hell no, they will kill me. Million flaps. I just got hit by 16 flaps. Ways to edit these videos, I gotta drop a video for these dweebs right here. Hell yeah. Man, we gonna end off this banger, man. Let me get a red before we go. Show these boys one last red for see what the after effect got. Oh yeah, she sound way better. That bitch sound way better. All right, man, we ending off this video like that. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you ain't new to the channel, subscribe down below, man. We ending off this banger. We out of here.